Hi, I'm Scott Kamenetsky, General Manager for the High Tech and Electronics Manufacturing Industry at Infor. Over the course of my 30-year career in the enterprise software arena, I've had the opportunity to work with many high-tech companies to help them achieve tangible business improvements across their operations. Here at Infor, we help our customers do this through modern, industry-specific solutions delivered in the multi-tenant cloud. Infor has a long and successful history in the high-tech and electronics industry. Today, we have over 2,800 customers across the various manufacturing and service microverticals of this industry. These customers range from small component manufacturers to large OEMs, with Flex and Benchmark Electronics being two noteworthy and longtime customer examples. One very important reason for our success in this industry is that we understand the different challenges of the various industry microverticals. For example, OEMs, semiconductors, contract and component manufacturers, and industrial electronics. While our competitors focus on industry marketing, Infor is truly unique because we've gone far beyond that by providing what we call last mile capabilities that are purpose-built for these microverticals. Great examples that are especially relevant to this industry are capabilities like reference designators, vendor managed inventory, alternative material planning, and forecast acceptance. Our ERP engine for this industry is powerful, and we're going to tell you more in an upcoming segment about our future direction. In addition, we offer key solution extensions such as sales configuration pricing and quoting, or CPQ for short, as well as supply chain planning, enterprise asset management, and workforce management. All of this with pre-built industry analytics and dashboards. And finally, the most visible sign of our commitment to this industry can be seen through the people you will interact with. I'm extremely proud of our passionately dedicated team with its deep domain expertise that helps our customers realize value from our solutions. You'll find this is true across our entire team, spanning product development, solution consulting, and sales, and even extending to our robust partner ecosystem. Now, we'd like to show you how our commitment to the high-tech and electronics industry is leading to business and digital transformation today and into the future.
Hi there. I'm going to talk about two things in our session. In the first section, I will talk about what's going on in high tech itself. The second section is all about what has Infor done with their solutions in order to overcome some of those issues. So let's talk about the trends in the industry first. If you read anything online, if you read an analyst paper, a common theme you hear is supply chain disruption. Because of the current situation, and believe me, you're not alone, a lot of people had to work from home and offices were closed. This caused issues with supply of components. If you can't deliver those components, you can't build your end products. Now, if you were in aerospace or in automotive and you delivered electronic solutions to those verticals, you will feel it less. And the reason is that demand went down. We fly less and we buy less cars. But if you are in healthcare, you saw actually a big increase in demand for healthcare products. And not having the components in order to fulfill that demand can cause a lot of issues. The second thing we saw by supply chain disruptions is the delay of new product introduction. Now, we all know that working in high tech, you have to have a product that gets smarter, better, uses less energy. You have to keep being innovative. But not having those components can actually delay your MPIs and can cause issues from a revenue standpoint. Your suppliers will do the same thing. They actually will tell you, the component manufacturers, that certain components will go end of life. And if they go end of life, because also their products get smaller, faster, smarter, and use less energy, you probably have to redesign your board. And this can cause issues again for your customers. Last thing I talk about is demand fluctuations. That's always been an issue within high tech. And especially nowadays, where depending on the vertical, we see a big fluctuations. So in the second part, we're going to talk about what Infor has done in their solution set to overcome some of the issues the vertical is experiencing. So in our multi-tenant cloud-based ERP, which is mainly focused on manufacturing capabilities within high tech, like contract manufacturing, component manufacturing, and industrial manufacturing. We actually see a lot of requirements that came from the high tech vertical we put in our product. We give you some examples like reference designators, micro routings, and dual sourcing based on historical buy. However, I want to highlight VMI, because VMI is a way how you can manage your supply chain or how your customers are demanding that you operate within their supply chain. So in our engines, we separate the concept of forecasting, replenishment, warehouse transactions, and financial ownership. So what you can do with that solution, you can set up a relationship with your supplier where you as a customer can say, I will send you the forecast, you replenishment, you restock the bin in my warehouse, and I will pay you at the end of the month for all the material I use that month. And if your customer demands that on your side, that you replenish their inventories, and you only get paid if they're using your solutions, we can also support that business model. On the edge application side, we have two applications I want to highlight. Enterprise asset management. High tech is a very asset-intense industry. You need to have your production facilities, and the semiconductor space, the investments are quite high. So with our enterprise asset management solution, we can help you getting the most out of your assets. There is a specific session later on that you can watch in order to see what enterprise asset management can do for you. The second one is Infor Nexus. We talked about supply chain disruption. What if you could see in your supply chain all of the transactions that happen with your components as well as with your deliveries to your customer? Infor Nexus is an application like that. In our track later on, you can actually watch the video about Infor Nexus and how you can have visibility of all the transportation actions in your supply chain, and that can warn you if something doesn't go right.
Today, I'd like to talk to you about CloudSuite High Tech and Electronics. Infor has a long history of supplying solutions for some of the largest contract electronics manufacturers in the world, like Benchmark Electronics, Flex, and Newways. We build purpose-built applications to handle your industry requirements so you don't need to customize the software to meet those needs. Infor will be delivering a CloudSuite for high-tech and electronics manufacturing later this year. Just as we have delivered industry CloudSuites for aerospace and defense, automotive, and industrial enterprises, this solution will be powered by Infor LN in a multi-tenant cloud on Amazon Web Services, where we perform all of the maintenance, care, and feeding of the application so you don't have to. On a monthly basis, we will be updating the solution with all fixes, patches, new capabilities, technologies developed by Infor, as well as new AWS services that we can take advantage of. The solution will also come integrated to enterprise asset management, Infor configure price quote, expense management, global human resources, and we will also be integrating the solution into Infor Nexus for supply chain collaboration and tracking, which is very much needed for large global electronics manufacturers. We will also be delivering a new product lifecycle management solution as a module directly within LN, so no integration will be required in the future. Our cloud strategy is to deliver solutions that you can run out of the box with an implementation accelerator that contains the best business practices for your industry to use our solution. Those implementation accelerators offer modifiable business processes to use the solution, incorporate others, as well as manage and measure your processes for efficiency. The implementation accelerator is a tool unique to Infor, and we hope you can take advantage of it. Our cloud strategy is to deliver a solution in the cloud with a single footprint that you can use around the world. We will be delivering the localizations required for any country that you need to work in. We've also already delivered over 50 of them. The integrations are hardened and battle tested, so you don't have to do that, and we will keep those up to date and maintain those so you don't have to. It also includes our Infor OS, where you can develop integrations via APIs. There's governance, risk, and compliance to manage the users and understand what they're doing for a SOX audit, as an example. The Infor OS also provides a single common user interface and will have many more features announced in the future. The Infor LN Cloud Suites are one of a kind. The one for high tech and electronics will meet all the needs of your industry just as we have for others, and we hope that you're interested to look at them very soon. Contact your AE or call me, and we'll be happy to set up an individual appointment to discuss what CloudSuite High Tech and Electronics can offer. Thank you very much, and have a nice day. Today I'd like to talk to you about the roadmap for the high-tech and electronics industry. Infor will be delivering a cloud suite for high-tech and electronics later this year. We have a very robust roadmap, as I will discuss with you now. As you can see, we will continue to develop features within the LN Cloud Suites for those customers that have needs for their industry. Actually, on a monthly basis, we update the solutions in a number of areas. The roadmap is always broken up into 6 areas when we deliver solutions to our customers. We continually try to improve the user experience through the use of consolidated sessions, workflows, business intelligence apps, KPIs, widgets, etc., to improve the ease of use of the system. Secondly, we increase the globalization of our solution by adding new localizations. Currently, we're soon to deliver India and Peru. We add new languages. We also look for AWS farms around the world so we can better accommodate our customers. We also always deliver new mobile applications with each one of our releases, so you can do your work on the go and reduce the total cost of ownership of a full Cloud Suite user. We continually deliver new integrations with each release, either to Infor extended solutions, third-party solutions, or new capabilities that Infor may develop, like Infor Factory Track, that is integrated to a number of our ERP systems and Cloud Suites. We also continually update the technology usage of our Cloud Suites with each release, either by exploiting new capabilities within the Infor operating service, like IDM, Mingle, or governance, risk, and compliance, as well as incorporating new AWS services so our solutions are more reliable and better for our customers. Lastly, we at Infor continue to add new industry features to our solutions so you don't have to customize the solution to run your business. Within the upcoming months, we are looking at constraint-based planning, product as a service, and an entirely new PLM module for discrete manufacturing and LN. Most importantly, we'll be delivering a cloud suite for high-tech electronics so that you can move into the cloud and have us maintain everything you do. These areas should show you our commitment to this industry. If you're interested, contact your AE and let us know what we can do to our solution to make it better, and we'll discuss code development. We believe that if we put the stuff in our solutions that you need to run your business, that makes us a better company and a better partner to work with. Thank you very much. And remember, now is a great time to look at an Infor Cloud Suite. Thank you.
You heard all the investments we made in our industry-focused Cloud Suite solutions. I will give you a brief overview on the investments we're making in services to help our customers realize the value and take advantage of all the innovations we're making to the product. Last year at Inforum, we launched Infor Agility with one sole purpose: provide faster time to value for our customers. I'm happy to share that we made tremendous progress in the last year. We had 3 key tenets when we launched Infor Agility. 1, we never start a project with a clean sheet of paper. We always bring Infor's point of view for that industry to help customers get started with the project. Second, we focus on giving quicker wins or go-lives to our customers, embracing agile principles versus big bang and prolongated projects. Third, Go Live is just the start of the journey with our customers, not the end. In order to make those tenants successful, we've invested in a few things. We launched next generation implementation accelerators that comes with industry process models, tools, templates, methodology that goes with it, and also automated testing, task subscriptions, task services, so that our customers can quickly regression test our applications. We also created a very unique framework called 60-30-10. This framework allows our customers to look at all the business processes that are needed to support their business, yet focus on the processes that are most critical for them. We firmly believe not all business processes are created equal. So the 60-30-10 framework helps our customers focus on the 60% that are core, that they can use out of the box or adopt out of the box, and then really focus on the 30, which is configured or tweaked, and 10 that are unique. We've successfully used this model. In fact, some of our customers were able to achieve 90% out of the box using the 60-30-10 framework. We know that Go Live is just the start of the journey, so we created managed services offerings to help our customers once they're in the cloud to continue to take the innovations we're putting into the product. In addition, we launched Infor Process Intelligence, which allows our customers to measure, to monitor their business processes with their actual transactional data, and then assess the processes that they have to continue to improve, automate, and do a continuous improvement process. Finally, we've invested and trained several Infor and partner resources, and we continue to train them so that they can come and help our customers take advantage of all the investments we're making in Infor Agility. Thank you for your time.
Hello, and once again, as I mentioned in my opening comments, with over 2,800 customers and now over 30 years experience serving high-tech and electronics manufacturers, I'm confident you can see this industry remains a strategic focus for Infor. At Infor, we know that our customers are best served when their ERP and edge solutions can be implemented and consumed in as simple a manner as possible, because we understand that modifications and extensions lead to complexity and ultimately inertia for your business. In today's dynamic business environment, innovation and business model disruptions are more frequent than ever before. To deal with this, our customers must be able to move with speed and agility. At Infor, we know simplicity is the prerequisite to speed and agility. In the last few video segments, we've illustrated our deep understanding of the challenges faced by this industry and some of the steps Infor has taken to truly deliver that last mile, purpose-built set of capabilities that ultimately bolster and protect the value of your investment in our solutions. We encourage you to interact with our industry experts to create a roadmap for your business and to leverage our content to get an understanding of how your peers are positioning themselves for the future. From development, services, sales, and our partners, we are committed to your success. Thank you, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.